Hi, this is Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today we're going to talk about the X4 made by BAK Industries. We just installed on this Ram 1500, which by the way is absolutely beautiful. I love this blue color, and it's just a really great looking truck. So a great looking truck needs a great looking cover. Now, come over here and take a look. Before I even go into opening it, I just want you to see how good looking this cover is. It sits in the bed. It's a very low profile cover. This is the X4, which is the new matte finish, so it just blends in very nicely. A lot of people just love the very clean look this has. Now, besides just being a good looking cover, let's go into the function of this cover, and I'll show you some of the benefits. And we do talk about the pros and cons of anything we're selling here. Now, this does have a left and right mechanism, so if you're driver's side, passenger side, no problem opening it up. Now, if you look here, this has got a terrific seal here, which you don't really see, but this does a great job of keeping the water out from the tailgate. This is probably one of the best tailgate seals on any cover. Now, to operate it, now if you look over here, let me let that truck come on. This is for your hands, so if it gets a little hot, it won't hurt your hands. And as you can see, look at quickly that opens up. One of the benefits of this cover is the speed of opening it up. Now, when you're driving, you do need to lock it in place. That's what this little fella here, this comes around here, is a little lock there that will hold it in place while you're driving. Now, the benefit of this cover is you get full access to the bed. Now, unlike its folding covers, which I do like a lot, when you have it all the way open, the folding cover does block the rear window. Well, on this one, if you notice, it does not block the rear window. So that's one of the positives of this cover. It also has a terrific locking mechanism here. Let's see if I can show you from there. And if you see this right here, see how this closes up here? Now, a lot of rolling covers use a Velcro to hold this down. This one actually has a lock that locks the whole entire cover. This is probably one of the few covers that I've seen do this. I'm sure they got some kind of patent on it. It does a great job of securing the cover, so you don't have to worry about it opening up. And in closing, take a look at how quickly this is. I mean, it's very fast, as you can see. This thing opens and closes very quickly. Now, I always like to talk to you about the pros and cons. The only con in this one is you cannot have it partially open. It's either all the way open or all the way closed. There's no in between. Where the folding cover, you can have it partially closed or partially open. But then you get other features, like you don't block the window here. It opens up easier, it opens up faster. So it's kind of a little give and take there. Now, if you like this Revolver X4 by BAK Industries, on the bottom of my video will be a link. You can actually buy this from us. You can go right to it'll take you right to our website, has a price on it, and we'll ship it anywhere in the country. Now, of course, if you want to come to our store in Margate, Florida, you can come in here and do a little shopping, or just pick up the phone and call us. We can help you there. Now, we're doing a lot of videos, and I try to do a video on all the products we have. And if you like what you're seeing, hit that like button. If you subscribe to our channel, every time we come up with something new, which is a lot because we do a lot of vehicles here, you'll be the first one to see it. So subscribe to our channel. We're still trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers. We're getting close, but we need your help. Again, this is the Revolver X4 by BAK Industries, and I'm Chris with C&H. Thank you.